I beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon.
Shut it.
I beg your pardon?
Your mouth. Don't breathe.
You're gonna like me.
I beg your pardon?
Sooner or later, everybody does.
Your work.
I beg your pardon?
David, why are you wearing a suit, man?
I beg your pardon?
You don't breathe, remember?
It's about death
I beg your pardon?
and menace.
He said I was getting fat.
I beg your pardon?
He said no one's gonna fancy a girl with thighs the size of big tree trunks.
Look at me.
I know. We seem to be inside
I'm
each other.
old. I beg your pardon.
Neil. Beg your pardon.
Neil.
He's not your son.
I beg your pardon?
Albert Mondego was the son of Edmond Dantes.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Before we go any further, I'm gonna need you to strip.
Beg your pardon?
Need to be certain you're not wearing a wire.
Doubtfire.
I beg your pardon?
Doubtfire, dear? Mrs. Doubtfire.
Well, I look forward to meeting you.
Oh, lovely, dear. Me too.
Hey there, little guy. How you doing?
Fuck off, Four Eyes.
I beg your pardon?
I said, fuck off, Four Eyes.
Excuse me, you're not allowed to try that on.
I beg your pardon?
If you'd like to purchase it first, we'd be happy to tailor it to your needs.
I see.